Everyone says it's impossible, that you're better off just putting your money in a global ETF and forgetting about it. For most people, that's true. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be? I'm going to show you what my own portfolio has done over the past 3 months compared to these popular ETFs, and the difference isn't even close. As you can see, the numbers speak for themselves. The money weighted return on my portfolio has significantly outperformed every major ETF, including the tech heavy QQQ. But this isn't luck. You can see there's bumps in the road here. But my return isn't just about picking a few good companies, it's about a disciplined framework. When the market dipped, I didn't panic and swap out my positions. I had done the research, I trusted the companies, and I strategically rebalanced my portfolio to maximize my returns. This channel isn't about getting rich quick, it's about investing with a purpose. I've shown you the what, now it's time to learn the how. If you want to understand exactly what a moat is, how I screen for companies, and how I've adapted the timeless wisdom of Buffett and Graham, you need to watch these videos. Subscribe to join me on this journey.